Nor will it, my dear.
But she's dead. My baby duckling is dead. It's all my fault. He wandered away from the nest last spring. I should have gone after him straight away, but